So 22.16 plus wine minus what you paid yesterday.
I send it tomorrow. I always say that.
Oh, so are we splitting this or?
No, we are not.
Oh, okay.
Splits never settle.
Where are the tickets? I swear it's in here somewhere.
Wait, was it 11 or 10?
It was 10.
Did you book it? Or I did it?
Oh, I think you did it.
I don't even remember.
Ah!
Plans get lost in the chat.
3,000 photos. Oh my, I'll never see this again. We always say that we're gonna make a video. How are we gonna make with this?
Memories die in the camera roll. Don't worry, Trippo is here. For every group trip, it's the same 3 problems. So we built one room that handles all 3. It starts here, 1 tap, 1 trip. Make the group, drop the link, and your crew is in. Snap a receipt. Trippo does the math and tell you who owes who. Just chat. Trippo turns what you said into a plan. Plans change? Just say so. Trippo keeps everyone in sync. No scrolling, no guessing. Drop your tickets in. They leave right next to the plan. Every photo lands on a map, exactly where it happened. Drop moments in as they happen. Photos, videos, anything. And while you're traveling, Trippo's already writing your report. And when the trip ends, Trippo turns the whole thing into a film. Plans, splits, memories, all in one trip room. Trippo.